Hey guys, in this video you will learn all about Homebrew and custom firmwares plus how they work. So, let's get started with Homebrew. What is it and how does it work? Well, Homebrew is software made by unofficial and or non-commercial developers. It can range from simple Hello World apps to full 3D games. Homebrew software is nearly always created by a team of developers on home standard computers. An SDK is required to compile source code to a machine-readable binary that the PSP can understand. So, this is the source code for a simple PSP Hello World app. It is made in the C programming language and is completely native to the PSP itself. But right now I'm going to show you how Homebrew can be made into a PSP readable app. Source code is taken and gets compiled and linked into a PSP binary. Simple as. If the developers think the final app is good, they can compress and upload the file to a Homebrew sharing website, which can then be distributed to be downloaded and used by anybody. So, that's what Homebrew is and how it works. Now, let's move on to custom firmwares. So, what are they and how do I get one? Well, these are modified firmwares that carry the ability to play Homebrew. With a custom firmware, you can also have custom themes, the recovery mode feature to fix your PSP if it bricks, and the ability to expand the features of your PSP with plugins. A good example of a plugin is the Grand Theft Auto Vice City Stories cheat device. So, to get custom firmware, your current firmware must be exploitable, or you can use the universal Pandora's battery downgrading tool to downgrade to the 1.50 firmware. From then on, you can upgrade to a custom firmware. But can my firmware be exploited? Yes, definitely. If you have the 2.0 firmware up to 3.50, you can exploit it without the Pandora's battery tool. If you have 3.51 firmware and up, however, the Pandora's battery tool is required. So, how do the exploits work? Well, hackers look for holes in the official firmwares, and which leads to firmware downgraders, which can then give you the ability to downgrade to the 1.50 firmware and upgrade to a custom firmware. Alright, thanks for watching this brief presentation on Homebrew and custom firmwares plus how they work. I hope you learned something from it. Also, if you liked this presentation, please rate it, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please feel free to check out my channel for some videos on downgrading your PSP and other videos on how to do things with it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video, and if the comment is over 500 letters, send me a message. Thanks for watching.